I am more than happy to report to you guys that the flip house is finished. It's finished. It's finished. We had pictures taken over this week, and we just got them back. So while we were waiting for those, I thought, let me go ahead and just do a tour and show a lot of the befores and a lot of the afters. So here is the before. My cat is meowing, and I'm sorry. But anyways, this is the before, and this is after. So we painted it a Sherwin-Williams extra white. The shutters are a glossy black, and we had a portico built with a tin roof. Right when you walk in, this was the first room on the right. It was a dining room with some wallpaper and some beige and some green and carpet. Under the carpet, luckily for us, was some beautiful hardwoods. We tore down the wall in between the kitchen and the dining room, and we made one big open space. We refinished the hardwood floors, and we added tile into the kitchen. We took out an old double oven and that cabinet there with the stove on it, and we put in a normal stove with an oven and made just the other side cabinet space that's usable. We did quartz countertops in here. We kept their cast iron sink, got a new faucet, painted the solid wood cabinets, Sherwin-Williams extra white, and we did a backsplash. It is a subway tile backsplash that has a lot of texture to it that I don't think it comes across in this video, but it's so nice. And we did a dark gray grout line. We have an island that I painted, and we did quartz on top of the island. We added a barn door to give an entrance into the existing laundry room, and that was only accessible by going outside before. When you walk in the front door, to the left is the living room. This was the first time we saw it. It's kind of a rough video, but there was a wall, a complete wall, and a closet. And we opened that wall up so that we would have some space right when you walked in. We did a brick accent wall on the existing wall that was left over. And that's it. We refinished the hardwoods, painted everything, fresh paint on the trim, and I really think it looks stunning in here. As you go upstairs, the first bedroom on the left will be this bedroom. It had a fun wallpaper from the original owners, but we took that down, obviously, and painted it passive gray by Sherwin-Williams. Painted the ceiling, painted the trim, and staged it properly for a cute little girl's bedroom. At the very top of the stairs is the guest bathroom. We did a dark navy colored tile in here with a darker navy grout. We kept the existing cast iron tub. It was in wonderful shape. Got new plumbing fixtures. We got a new toilet. We got a new vanity. This was the other guest bedroom at the top of the stairs, and it is huge. It needed a fresh coat of paint. It needed trim paint, and it needed its floors refinished. When you come up the stairs and you turn to the right, you'll be in the master suite, and this is what it looked like before. The chandelier was stunning, but we swapped it out for a modern fan just to kind of keep it nice and breezy upstairs. It got its floors refinished, some darker paint, and the bathroom is where it really came alive. We ripped out everything. We ripped out walls, we ripped out closets, we ripped out the bathtub and the shower, and we went in with a large format marbly gray tile that looks like a storm cloud rolling in, ready to just envelop you in a spa-like tranquility. We got glass doors surrounding the shower. We got new shower head, new freestanding bathtub. As you come down the stairs of the basement, this is what it looked like. It was one small room that was semi-finished on the right of the stairs. We ended up painting all the paneling, new LVP flooring. We painted the ceiling, new lighting, and we ripped out the wall that separated it into the other unused portion of the basement. Here you can see that area. Upstairs, off of the dining room, is the new laundry room. This laundry room was here before, but it looked like an outdoor space. So we made it accessible from the dining room with a barn door opening, and we painted with fresh paint, painted the ceiling, and put new tile on the floor. Off of the kitchen is the powder room. This powder room had some fun wallpaper again that we took down, and we gutted this bathroom as well. We put some wainscoting up on the walls, and we painted the same dark gray color that is the vanity in the master bathroom. We also added some wallpaper from Wayfair, and we refurbished an existing mirror that we had. This was the sunroom. This is off of the kitchen. It connects the kitchen and the laundry room. This just needed a lot of love. It needed new screens, fresh paint, new tile flooring, and just a lot of love. This flip house was a labor of love. I decided to show us some videos of me and my husband working hard at the house, doing various projects. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any specific questions about any of the items you saw or paint colors or anything like that, just let me know and I will happily answer any questions. Thanks a lot. Have a good night.